Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I was looking for a small but effective dehumidifier for our bathroom, and I found this little guy from Upenjok that has been working really great. One of the biggest reasons I love this one is because it's so quiet. We've had dehumidifiers in the past that were so loud and just get obnoxious. Listen to how quiet this one is. We live in an area that gets a lot of moisture, especially in the winter time, and that can lead to mold and mildew, which really exacerbate my allergies. Since we started using this in our bathroom, I've noticed that the humidity level is much less when we take a shower, and the mirror doesn't get fogged up anymore, and our windows clear up really quickly. One of the reasons I really like this one is because it's so small. It fits into a lot of different areas. It can fit on the countertop in the bathroom, in the shower, on the counter in our bedroom, in the closet, in the living room, anywhere that I want to move it to. In fact, it has a really nice handle on the top that makes it super easy to move around the house. The water catchment system in the bottom of the unit is really easy to remove and dump and then just put right back in. I think it's really aesthetically pleasing, and especially with the variety of different lights that it has. You can click the bottom button once and then it filters through a variety of lights, and then if you click it again on the light that you like, it just stays on that color. If you're looking for a small dehumidifier that really does its job, it's going to fit into so many places in your home, I recommend this one, and that's my point of view.